In this video, I'll show you how to make a Kanban board in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to choose the fourth option, which is projects. Now, once you click on projects, what you need to do is simply head over to the project in which you want to make a Kanban board to. Let's say I want to do this on my website design. So simply click on the project. That will take you to the overview of your project. And from here, what you need to do is add a board. Now, to add a board, simply head over to the top. On the right-hand side, click on the plus sign to add a new tab. And from here, head over to the bottom and add the fourth option, which is the board view. Once you do that, as you can see, we now have a board view within our project. Now, in order for us to create a Kanban board, what we need to do is add the progress. So a Kanban board just means that we have the tasks that needs to be done, finished, and in progress. Now, in order for us to do that, what we can do is add it as a list first in order for us to see it easier. Or what we can also do is just simply add it within the board. So let's say we want to add a section within the board. This is the first section. We can rename this. Just simply click on the task or the section name. From here, we will add this as to do. To add another section, head over to the right-hand side, click on add section. From here, we will add this as in progress. Now, let's say you have a list. Now, on this list, you want to add another section. So at the bottom, click on add section. From here, we will add it as done. Now, if we head over back to our board view, you will automatically see that we have here a section that is done. Now, what you can also do is add them in a specific order. So from here, what you can do is hold a section and drag it to the area wherein you want it to be. It will also be the same thing for the list view. Let's say you want to move done. So simply hold the 6 dots on the left-hand side of that section, add it within your specific area. If you head over back to your board, you will automatically see that it has been changed. Now, let's say on the list view, we have here a task. So let's say we have web design, press on enter. It will add it as a task. So if you head over back to the board, you will automatically see that we have here a task within the done section. Now, as you can see, this is already considered as a Kanban board since it has to do. This means the things that they have to do in progress, as well as the task in which they have finished. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.